Welcome to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to do the back post DC. The abbreviation for back post DC is BPDC, and this is the symbol. The back post DC is similar to the front post DC. The only difference is that we will grab the post of the stitch from the back. So the turning chain is a chain 2, and we will skip this stitch as the turning chain replaces the first stitch. Now yarn over, take the hook to the back of the work and insert it like this and take it back again so that you have grabbed the post of the next stitch DC from the previous row like this. Now yarn over and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook now. Yarn over and complete the DC. This is how we make a front back post DC. Let's repeat that. So yarn over and grab the post from the back. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, finish the DC. Let's repeat that again. So yarn over, insert your hook through the work like this. So here's the post. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now complete the DC. Do you notice how this creates a ridge in front like this? So this is one of the basic natures of back post DC. We use the front post and back post stitches to create different textures. So we'll learn more about that in the coming lessons. So until then, keep practicing the back post DC. And I will meet you in the next lesson where we will learn how to make the slip stitch and also see how to fasten off the work once you've finished it. That's it for today. Happy hooking!